This is Ernesta Rodriques and welcome to my Edmodo training class tour. We will start off with the main page, which has a welcome post that is pinned at the top of the page. And the welcome post gives an overview of what can be found in this course. So this course is based on technology in the classroom, and the overview says this is a self-paced class that is designed for teachers that want to integrate technology into their classes while learning Edmodo. The purpose for this class is to help teachers to get comfortable with using technology in their class on a regular basis. What will you learn in this class? You will learn how to benefit from the features of Edmodo, the benefits of using technology in the classroom, why cloud storage is important, how YouTube can help with sharing video content, linking your Google Drive and OneDrive to your Edmodo library, and how to gamify your class using badges. As you work your way through each assignment, you will become more comfortable with the amazing features Edmodo offers to help you to manage a blended class environment or a full online virtual class, no matter the subject that you teach. This is the main wall, which has been set to read only. It includes all the assignments you will need to complete the course, and after successfully completing each assignment, you will receive a badge of completion. Then we have the class structure, which lists all of the tasks that are required to successfully complete the course. And then there is an additional post. So it says you will find additional posts between the tasks that will assist you with the tasks that follow. Take the time to read them and review the resources attached. You cannot post a comment on this page, but you can collaborate and share in the discussion small group folder, share your work in the share small group folder, and find resources for the course under the folder link in the resources folder. The resources folder also has an Edmodo resources folder with how-tos for common Edmodo tasks. I hope you enjoy the class. And if we scroll back up, you will see that there is the discussion folder that allows you to post your discussions and ask questions. And then there is the share folder that allows students to share their work with other persons in the course. So we go back to the post, and under the welcome post, we have task 1, which is the introductions. And you will see that I have task 1 here is bolded, and then there are bullets that follow that explain what the task entails and how to complete it. And at the end of the post, it says which badge will be received on successful completion of this task. Next, we have a poll asking how tech savvy are you? Then task 2 requires students to create a formatted post, and this formatted post is to include at least 3 different types of text formats. And there is a resource attached that talks about the benefits of using technology in a classroom, which their post should be based on. We talk about link to post, and again, there's a resource attached, which is the link to post by Kate Baker, which helps them to learn how to use the link to post. They will be required to submit the link to post in this assignment box, task 3. We talk about the benefits of having YouTube and using Google Drive and OneDrive for cloud storage to share video content. Task 4, they are required to submit a link to a YouTube video that they would feel is helpful. Task 5 is a quiz based on the benefits of using technology in the classroom. Then we talk about what is a screencast, and I list a few resources on creating screencast. I then talk about creating quizzes in Edmodo and how they can be helpful in creating assessments in a class environment. And then the final task will be task 6 that requires students to create an Edmodo quiz and create a screencast of that quiz and post it into the share folder. And then they will turn in the link to that post in this assignment. And of course, the last post is a congratulations on successfully completing the course. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you. I'm Ernesta Rodriques.